Welcome to Pylen channel. Don't forget to share and please subscribe my channel. Welcome back to Pylen. In this video we will see how to write a program to reverse any number entered by the user. So let us take the input and store it in num. So first num is equals to, we know that input will give us anything which entered in input will written as a string, so we should have to typecast it. Int input, int will typecast it into an integer, so int input, enter any number to find it reverse. Okay, so now we should have to store the number which we are reversed into a variable, so we will take it as reverse. Rev is equals to 0. Now we will perform a while loop. While num greater than 0, what we should have to do means, first we should have to extract the last digit of num. So we will store the last digit in remainder. Remainder is equals to num mod 10. Okay, next we should have to add it to the reverse. So reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Why we multiply the rem with 10, reverse with 10 means we should have to add it to the last, means we should not want to add the last two digits, but we want to add it to the last, means move everything which was there in rev in front and add it to it last. So we multiply it and then add the rem. Okay, now we should have to decrement the num. If we not decrement the num will, if you not decrement the num, the while loop become infinite, means it will not end up anywhere. This is a floor division. I did here is floor division in this statement. What the floor division will do means, it will remove the floating point. So by floor dividing any number with 10, we will get the number by removing the last digit. So at last we should have to print the reverse what we get. So print of reverse of here we want to print the input entered by the user, so we should have to, here numbers get changed. See, in this statement numbers get changed, so we should have to store it the num in another variable. So I will take it as temp is equals to num, and I will use the temp here. Reverse of temp is equals to what is that variable, rev, means reverse of the input entered by the user is equals to the number obtained by the program. So let us run it. First we will enter any digit. You can try it in your mobile. Any digit we enter, we will get its reverse. Okay, let us see, check it. Reverse of 1567907622257 is equals to 752267097651. You can verify it. It was exactly the reverse. You can do it by using the string functions, like we can slice the string. By using slicing of string, we can reverse the any number very easily. So let us know how to reverse a number by using string function. So I will use the same input what was entered here in this statement by the user. So first I use since in this set of statements the num will change, I will use temp here. First I will typecast it into the string. Since we are using string functions, temp is equals to str of temp. Okay, now I will simply print it. Print of reverse of, I will you this is mod. I will tell you at last. I will write mod is okay, is equal to I will write here. First we should have to specify what is the mod. Mod is equals to temp comma temp of since we want to take from last to end, I'll leave that as it is. It will take default as from first to last. Here I will give -1. What the -1 will tell me is from back to front we should have to print the string. So let us see and run this and see. 1 2 3. Oh, another occur. Yes, I got the error. In this we can only give the integers, so I will typecast it into int of yes. Let us run it and see how it will work. Yes, it was working exactly. You can see both the outputs are equal. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Meet you in next video. Don't forget to see the while loop if you not seen. I'll give the link in description.